Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're fine. And you're most welcome in Exam Tonic Daskadam Part 30. And today our topic is Ideas That Have Helped Mankind, written by Bertrand Russell. And dear students, you know very well that in every video I give you 10 powerful objectives. And same as in this video, I'm also going to give you 10 powerful objectives. It's very important for your coming exam, for your board exam. And I have a humble request for you that please subscribe my channel, press bell icon. If you support me, if you like my video, please share its link. And if you have any problem, if you want to give any suggestion regarding this video, this channel, please write comments. I will read and I will respond your comment actually. By the way, dear students, I have a first question, and the first question is ideas that have helped. Actually, ideas that have helped, it's incomplete actually, it's complete mankind. Ideas that have helped mankind, it's name of chapter. Ideas that have helped mankind is and dash, drama, speech, essay, poetry. Dear students, ideas that have helped mankind is the name of chapter, and this chapter is an essay. Your answer is C. Ideas that have helped mankind is an essay. Now we have next question, question number 2. Bertrand Russell was born on dash. In which year Bertrand Russell was born? I think your answer is A, 1872. Bertrand Russell was born on 1872. And we have next question, question number 3. Bertrand Russell was died in dash. In which year Bertrand Russell died? Your answer is B, 1970. Bertrand Russell was died on 1970. Now we have next question. Bertrand Russell was a dash. British, Indian, American, German. What will be the perfect answer? Dear students, you must know that Bertrand Russell was born in Britain. That's why he was British. Bertrand Russell was British. Next question. Russell was a dash. What was Russell? Russell was actually British philosopher as well as historian and mathematician. So actually here is written mathematics. It will be mathematician actually. Mathematician. Bertrand Russell was British philosopher, historian and mathematician. Your answer is all. Now next question, question number 6. Bertrand Russell was born in dash. In which country Bertrand Russell was born? Your answer is Britain. Bertrand Russell was born in Britain. Okay, now we have next question. Question number 7. A history of Western philosophy is the works of. Dear students, remember, a history of Western philosopher. A history of Western philosopher is the name of a book. And who has written this book? Your answer is Bertrand Russell. Bertrand Russell wrote the book A History of Western Philosopher. We have next question. Conquest of Happiness and Road to Freedom are the works of. Dear students, remember, Conquest of Happiness and Road to Freedom, these are also books actually. And who has written these books? Your answer is Bertrand Russell. Bertrand Russell wrote the books Conquest of Happiness, Road to Freedom, A History of Western Philosophy. Okay. Now we have next question, question number 9. Why I am not a Christian? An authority and individual are the works of. Dear students, remember, why I am not a Christian and authority and individual, these are also the name of books. And who has written these books? Of course, Bertrand Russell. Bertrand Russell wrote these books, Why I Am Not a Christian and Authority and Individuals. Now next question, question number 10. This is the last question. It's very important question. Russell was awarded with Nobel Prize for Literature in dash. In which year Russell won Nobel Prize? In which year Russell got Nobel Prize? Dear students, remember, in the year 1950. 1950, Russell was awarded with Nobel Prize for Literature. And thanks for watching my videos. We will see soon in next video.